guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make some delicious mega burritos rancheros. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for the recipe we're going to need 2 pounds of beef ranch steak cut into small strips, burrito size flour tortillas, refried beans, Mexican rice, 6 Anaheim peppers, 4 potatoes cut into small cubes, 6 roma tomatoes, 1 small white onion, 2 garlic cloves, chile serrano, and all of our spices that I will link in the description box. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Okay, so first we're going to begin by roasting all of our Anaheim peppers. Okay, so once our chiles are nice and roasted, we're going to place them in a bag. Okay, so we're going to close our bag and we're going to allow our chiles to sweat. Okay, so we're going to roast 4 roma tomatoes, 1/4 of a small white onion, and 2 chile serranos. And I'm also going to add 1 chile habanero. So we're just going to roast them. Okay, and once everything is nice and roasted, we're going to transfer them into a blender cup. Okay, so after 10 minutes, we're going to peel our chiles. So we're just going to remove the stem and the skin. So once we have all of our chiles nice and peeled, we're going to throw 2 of them into a blender cup. And the rest, we're going to cut them into small strips. Alright, so once we have our chiles all nice and cut into small strips, we're going to set them to the side, and now we're going to make our salsa. To a blender cup, we're also going to add our 2 garlic cloves, 1/2 cup of water, and now we're just going to blend until we have a chunky salsa. Okay, so once we have our salsa, now we are ready to cook. Okay, so we're going to grab our pan. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of oil, and we're just going to wait for the oil to heat up. Okay, so once our oil is hot, we're going to throw in our potatoes. And I'm going to season my potatoes with all-purpose seasoning. And now we're just going to cook our potatoes for 6 minutes. Okay guys, so after 6 minutes, we're going to remove our potatoes. So in our pot, we're going to throw in our meat. And we're going to season it with salt, garlic salt, oregano, cumin, and black pepper. Just mix it. Okay, so now we're just going to mix it until our meat has browned. Okay, so once our meat has browned, you're going to notice that the meat has released its own juice. So now we're just going to wait for the juice to evaporate. After 3 minutes, the juice has evaporated. So now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. Just going to mix it. And now we're going to add the 3/4 of our onion. So just make sure that you slice them. Okay, so we're just going to mix it and let that cook for about 3 more minutes. After 3 minutes, we're going to add 2 roma tomatoes cut into strips. And we're going to cook them for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we're going to add our green chiles along with our potatoes. Just going to mix it. And now we're going to add our salsa. I'm going to add a little bit more water. Along with a little bit of cilantro. So just mix it again. Okay, so now we're just going to reduce the heat to medium-low. We're going to cover it and let that cook for about 5 to 10 minutes or until our potatoes are nice and soft. Okay guys, so after 10 minutes, our meat should be done. Of course, just make sure that your potatoes are nice and soft. And also at this point, you want to try it for salt. So just grab your potato, they're nice and soft. And for me, it's perfect. So now we are ready to make our delicious burritos. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, making our burritos. So of course you can add whatever you want into your burrito. I'm going to start by adding my refried beans. My refried beans have a lot of cheese. I love cheese. So I'm going to spread it. Okay, so that's good. Now I'm going to add a little bit more cheese. I'm going to grab my Mexican rice. Okay, and now our delicious carne ranchera. And you can add as much as you want. And of course you can add avocado, but I'm going to place it in the grill. So I'm not going to add any avocado. And I'm just going to top it with some queso fresco. Okay, now we're just going to grab the ends and fold. Just grab it and tuck it. Tuck it all in. Okay, so now I'm just going to place it in my comal. All right, so I'm just going to grab my burrito until it's nice and crispy on both sides. Okay, so just flip it over to the other side. Okay, so once we have our burrito all nice and grilled from both sides, now we are ready to serve. All right, and now we are ready to enjoy our delicious burrito. So I'm just going to cut it in half. And now just enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. So I am so ready. So this is very simple. I'm just going to dip it in my salsa. It's literally everything in one right here. So cheers and enjoy. Seriously, it's super delicious. It's so simple, yet so filling, full of flavor. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make some delicious mega burritos rancheros. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you like this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.